tank. He doesn't even know he's got this fucking stuff. Want some beer?
Fuck yeah.